If your Tesla Model S door handle is stuck in the extended position, it's likely due to a faulty motor or microswitch within the handle assembly. These components control the handle's deployment and retraction. The motor can wear out or short circuit after many cycles, while the microswitch can become corroded or stuck, preventing the handle from retracting. Let's look at the door handle mechanism. The motor drives the handle to extend and retract, while the microswitch detects its position. Tesla issued a recall, NHTSA campaign number 23V614, for this issue, affecting Model S vehicles manufactured between 2012 and 2021. The Tesla Model S door handle system is powered by two main components, an electric actuator motor and a microswitch sensor. When you approach the vehicle or use your key fob, the central controller sends a signal to the motor, which pushes the handle outward for easy access. The electric actuator motor is a small DC motor that drives the handle mechanism. It operates through electrical signals and can wear out after repeated cycles, leading to failures in deployment or retraction. The microswitch is a small sensor that detects when the door is closed or locked. It sends a signal back to the motor to retract the handle flush with the door. If the microswitch fails due to corrosion or wear, the handle may not retract properly. The entire system integrates with the vehicle's central controller, which requires software calibration for proper operation. The controller processes signals from proximity sensors and key fobs to coordinate the motor and microswitch. Now let's see the mechanism in action. When unlocking occurs, the motor extends the handle. When the door closes, the microswitch signals retraction. Problems arise when the motor fails to operate due to electrical issues or wear, or when the microswitch doesn't send the correct signals. These faults often trigger dashboard error codes like handle motor fault or microswitch error, indicating the need for repair or calibration. To identify the faulty component in your Tesla Model S door handle, start by examining the mechanism. The system consists of a motor that powers the handle's movement and a microswitch that detects its position and signals retraction. First, attempt to retract the handle and listen for any sounds. If you hear a buzzing sound but the handle doesn't move, this indicates a motor problem, such as electrical shorts, overheating, or wear after many cycles. If you hear no sound during the retraction attempt, the issue could be with the motor or the microswitch. The microswitch might be stuck, corroded from moisture, or affected by dirt accumulation. Next, check your vehicle's dashboard for any error messages related to the door handles. Common codes include handle motor fault or microswitch error, which provide clues about the specific component needing attention. Finally, Tesla's over-the-air updates now include diagnostic software that monitors handle cycles and can alert you to potential issues before complete failure. This software helps preempt problems and guides you on when to seek repairs. Tesla addressed the widespread door handle retraction issue with a comprehensive recall program announced in 2023, affecting approximately 1.1 million Model S vehicles manufactured between 2012 and 2021. The company implemented a free repair program at Tesla service centers where faulty motors and microswitches are replaced at no cost to owners. This program has successfully serviced most affected vehicles. The repairs focus on the door handle mechanism, which includes an electric motor that extends and retracts the handle, and a micro switch that detects its position. These components can fail due to wear or electrical issues. Through over-the-air software updates and component replacements, Tesla has achieved a 95% resolution rate for the handle retraction issues, with diagnostic software now monitoring handle performance. Current owners can easily check their vehicle's eligibility for the ongoing Handle Motor Update campaign through the Tesla mobile app or website. However, some pre-2017 Model S vehicles may still experience intermittent retraction issues due to aging components, though these are becoming less common with ongoing updates. When considering repairs for your Tesla Model S door handle, you have two main options: DIY repair or professional service. Each approach has its own advantages and considerations. You can attempt a DIY repair using guides from sites like iFixit, but be aware that improper installation may void your warranty. Always proceed with caution and consider professional help if you're unsure. Professional repair typically involves carefully disassembling the door panel to access the handle assembly, then replacing faulty components like the motor or microswitch with Tesla-certified parts. To understand the mechanism better, here's a simplified 3D model showing the door panel, handle, motor, and microswitch components that are typically involved in these repairs. To prevent future issues, regularly clean the handle area and avoid forcefully pulling or pushing on the handle, as this can cause premature wear on the motor and microswitch. The first and most important step is to disconnect the car's battery to prevent any electrical shorts or accidental activation of systems during the repair. Next, remove the door panel. This involves locating and unscrewing the panel clips, then gently prying the panel away from the door frame to expose the internal components. Once the panel is removed, locate the electrical connectors to the door handle assembly and disconnect them carefully to avoid damage. With connectors disconnected, unscrew any mounting bolts and carefully remove the door handle assembly as a complete unit. Disassemble the handle assembly to separate the motor, which powers the extension and retraction, and the microswitch, which detects the handle's position. Once separated, inspect for faults and replace the defective motor or microswitch with a compatible replacement part. After replacement, reassemble and calibrate the system using Tesla's diagnostic tools or app to ensure proper function. For DIY repairs, always follow detailed guides and work carefully to prevent damage or voiding your vehicle's warranty. Aftermarket kits are available for Model S door handle repairs, with sales increasing as older models require more maintenance. These kits typically include replacement motors and microswitches that can be installed to fix stuck handles. Tesla is moving towards software-driven solutions to reduce hardware failures using OTA updates for predictive diagnostics. These updates monitor handle cycles and alert owners before a failure occurs, preventing the stuck handle problem. Newer Tesla models, such as the Cybertruck, feature redesigned handle mechanisms to avoid this issue entirely. The new designs use more reliable components and better integration with the vehicle's systems. Future EV handle mechanisms will likely be fully electronic with haptic feedback, minimizing mechanical wear. This means no moving parts that can fail, and users will feel a vibration or feedback when the handle is ready. To prevent door handle issues, start with regular cleaning. Wipe down the handles and surrounding areas at least once a month using a soft cloth and mild soap solution. This removes dirt and prevents moisture from entering the mechanism, which can corrode the microswitch over time. Avoid forceful manipulation of the door handles. If a handle feels resistant, don't pull or push hard. This can strain the motor or damage the microswitch. Instead, ensure the vehicle is unlocked and try again gently. Keep an eye out for any unusual sounds or behavior from the handles. Normal operation is quiet and smooth. If you hear buzzing without movement, clicking sounds, or the handle fails to retract, these indicate potential motor or microswitch issues that should be addressed immediately to avoid escalation. Check for software updates from Tesla regularly. These updates often include diagnostic tools that can detect handle issues early, as well as fixes for motor and microswitch problems. Use the Tesla app or vehicle interface to install updates promptly. Finally, if you notice any issues with your door handles, address them promptly. Contact Tesla service for professional diagnosis and repair, or consult the recall program if eligible. Regular maintenance will help ensure your Model S door handles remain reliable for years to come.